Wondering if they have the spring rolls available late. I don't know, we'll see. So I just want to snack on something. Okay, thanks. So yeah, I just had to run to the store, and instead of driving, I was like, I'm gonna grab my skateboard, skate across the street in the neighborhood there. But I had sweet and sour from Pan Express, so I brought that because I know they don't have dipping sauce, but these egg rolls are good. They're fresh and crispy. Yep. Nice and crunchy. Perfect. And I thought it was Susan Mart last time when I did that little review, but it's a B. Busan? I don't know. I don't care, but that was a good snack. I don't like skating, to be honest, on the sidewalk at night, but we'll be careful. It's all right. All right. Finally made it Safeway. Got a couple angry roommates back home because I forgot something. This'll do. All right, guys. So, yeah, it was a big deal that I get that. My cats would be pretty pissed without their treats. See if I can make it home. Make it home without hitting any rocks or cracks in the road. So already a pebble. Look at these cracks. Pebble on the sidewalk almost took me out. I'm just trying to get back home safely. Watching out for cars. Look at this guy. Headlights out, buddy. Gotta watch out. Be safe. Be back with an actual food review next time. See you guys later.